Hi friends, it's Ms.Patty again. So now we're gonna start with the letter sounds. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Who's ready? You guys sitting down? Start with the song. Letter sounds. Do you know these letter sounds? They would help you learn to read. They would help you learn to read. Apple, apple, ah, ah, ah. Apple, apple, ah, ah, ah. Baby, baby, b, b, b. Baby, baby, b, b, b. Cookie, cookie, k, k, k. Cookie, cookie, k, k, k. Dolly, dolly, da, da, da. Dolly, dolly, da, da, da. Elbow, elbow, eh, eh, eh. Elbow, elbow, eh, eh, eh. Flower, 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 flower. Garden, 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 garden. Hammer, 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 hammer. Igloo, igloo, eh, eh, eh. Igloo, igloo, eh, eh, eh. Jelly, 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 jelly. Kitten, 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 kitten. Lion, 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 monkey, 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 necklace, 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 ostrich, ostrich, ah, ah, ah. Ostrich, ostrich, ah, ah, ah. Pumpkin, 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 pumpkin. Quarter, quarter, qua, qua, qua. Quarter, quarter, qua, qua, qua. Rabbit, 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 scissors, 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 tiger, 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 undershirt, undershirt, ah, ah, ah. Undershirt, undershirt, vacuum, 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 vacuum. Window, window, wah, wah, wah. Window, window, wah, wah, wah. X-ray, 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 X-ray. Yo, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Zebra, 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 Good job, friends. We did it. We're all done with the letter sounds. Now we're gonna go ahead and start doing the colors, los colores. We're gonna start doing the colores next video.